Another day, another story. In late 2021, astronomers witnessed a celestial spectacle that left them baffled. Assassin 21QJ, a star 1,800 light-years from Earth, experienced a sudden and near-total dimming, following an earlier sharp brightening. But what caused this mysterious cosmic dance? Astronomer Matthew Kenworthy, along with colleagues from the Leiden Observatory in the Netherlands, uncovered a groundbreaking explanation. They suggested that a cataclysmic collision between two Neptune-like ice giant planets in orbit around Assassin 21QJ was the source of this celestial display. Competing theories emerged, with some proposing that interstellar comet fragments might be responsible. These astronomers also questioned the star's age, suggesting it was billions of years older than initially thought. But why would two worlds collide in such a sedate age system? Kate Su, an astronomer at the University of Arizona, highlights the importance of understanding oddities like Assassin 21QJ. Our perception of planetary arrangements in the universe is evolving, and these unique discoveries contribute to our expanding knowledge of exoplanets. Shifting our gaze from the cosmos to Earth, a groundbreaking climate modeling project is in the works. Imagine the ability to predict climate disasters with 1-kilometer accuracy. This project could transform the way we prepare for extreme weather events. Climatologists and scientists are collaborating on a network of global supercomputing centers known as Earth Visualization Engines, or EVs. These centers will use supercomputers and machine learning algorithms to provide higher resolution climate predictions. Why does this matter? For the past decade, our best climate simulations could only predict changes in 25 square kilometer areas. Higher resolution modeling can reveal how wind shear affects buildings, predict floodwaters' paths, and identify areas most vulnerable to damage. Gavin Schmidt of NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Studies emphasizes the importance of accessible climate information. This initiative aims to provide valuable data to help people make informed decisions for climate adaptation. From astronomical enigmas to cutting-edge climate predictions, science continues to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and empower us to face the challenges of a changing world. Thanks for watching.